Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Inspiring Joy. My name is Jody, and today I am going to walk you through John and I organizing our closets. So my husband John is going to join us in this video today. And and so I want to share John's closet, my closet, and we're going to take you through organizing. So this is a new year. We have been working on different organization projects. Feeling organized brings me a lot of joy, and also John. The process of going through the organization can be hard at times because we have to go through everything and see what we want to keep and what we want to donate or throw out. So we are going to go through that process today with our closets. The closets are relatively the same size. There are some closets that are larger and some that are smaller. I have a little larger one, that's true. Yeah. No jealousy at all here. Hi everyone. So John's going to bring the camera to my closet and I'll kind of show you what it looks like at the moment. So it doesn't have a lot of sides out this way, but I do have a good amount of storage behind me. So if John will bring the camera in a little closer, so I have a shelf up top here, and then a shelf here, and then shelving here and down. And right now all my shoes are on the ground and just a bunch of stuff everywhere. So I'm really having a hard time. This is my outfit from New Year's, and I have 2 jewelry chests behind here, and so it's just a menagerie of items. So my goal here is to organize to where I can find stuff to wear, because I tend to wear the same 5 things every week because I just can't find what I have. And I have a lot of items, some I probably don't even need at this point in life. So I'm going to start by taking out everything and then clearing the space and then start putting back things. Before I do that though, let me show you now John's. Wait. All right, so here we are in John's space.
And mine looks pretty typical for a guy. I think I have all my work shirts over here. I have some casual shirts. I have a comforter that, we don't really use, and just kind of stuff kind of crammed in. I've run out of hangers, and I have way too many t-shirts and things like that. And this is just for socks and stuff. But mine's pretty basic. I have shoes on the ground, a couple of sport coat things down there, which I don't have to wear much for work. So, but yeah, that's it. But it's crowded, and I do the same thing. I come up with about 4 things that are usually right up here. And I know I have other clothes, but I feel like I don't, even though my closet's completely full. So maybe with a little organization, with a little help from Jody, I can see what I can do with this.